Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be trying out one of OUTRE's new Converti-cap units. I want to say thank you to OUTRE for sending this unit over for me to try today. So if you guys are interested in seeing what it looks like and all the different styles that we'll be able to come up with, then continue to watch. Before we jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and then follow me on my socials. They'll be right here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. So this is the unit that I'll be trying today. It is the OUTRE Converti, is how I'm pronouncing it. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm trying the Converti-cap in the style Curly KO, and then I have it in the color FT1B/30. And I really wanted to try this because I saw it had KO in it, like my name, so I was like, oh, that's cute. And then the style was just really cute as well, so I'm excited to try it out and see what it's gonna look like. So the concept of the Converti-cap is supposed to make it where it's really easy to wear, where you could wear it literally in any style that you want to, versus just being restricted to one hairstyle. So they've made the cap where you're able to literally come up with any style you want, and you're also able to have out your own natural hair in the front as well, so you can make the unit look as realistic as possible. So I'm going to see how many styles I'll be able to come up with today with this unit, and we're going to see how it fits on the head and how it adjusts and hopefully feels secure while wearing. It comes with 4 combs. There's one long one in the middle, as well as 2 on the sides, and then there's one in the back. And it also comes with an adjustable drawstring as well. And then the cap, it's supposed to be a breathable neck cap, making the unit feel like it's going to be a little bit more breathable and not make your head so hot, and we definitely want that. So I think what I'm going to do is attempt the 3 styles that I see here on the stock card. So we have one that has a side part look, and then one with bust down in the middle, and then also one that's pulled up into a ponytail. I'm really excited to try the ponytail look because I really like that look, especially with the hair left out in the front with the 2 pieces hanging. So I am going to attempt that. Here is the unit in its color. It has like highlight pieces of brown in it. So far, I really like the texture of it. I like that it has this curly texture to it, but it's also not on the shiny side. I like that it's kind of dulled down a little bit, so it's going to make it look more realistic when it comes to blending it with my own hair. So let's go ahead and get this baby popped on and see what we come up with, y'all. Alright guys, so here is style 1. I just did it with a basic middle part, bust down the middle, and then I just kind of pulled the front pieces closer to my temple area, so that way I would have more coverage in this spot. And then I left out minimal hair right here in the front, just so I could have a parting space and it could look a little bit more natural. And this is what we're working with. So as you guys know, the color is S1B30, no, not S1B, FT1B30, so it does have a little bit of highlighted brown pieces in it, which makes it just a little bit more challenging to blend it in with my hair, since my hair is basically, I would compare my hair color to a number 2. It's just a really dark brown hair color. So it did make it just a little bit more difficult to blend because I don't want it to look like my hair is just like standing out from the unit. But once you add a little bit more product and then just try to make it into the texture of the unit, it definitely helps it out a lot more. Honestly, I would wear my hair out like this because I do think I did a pretty decent job in making it blend, especially once my hair dries down a little bit. I think it'll blend even more in with this unit. So I tried to leave out a little bit of hair so it wouldn't be too much to try and blend with it, but you guys let me know what you think so far of this blend process, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the next hairstyle. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this side look. I'm feeling the side look a lot more. I feel like I've left less hair out with this look, and it's definitely less work in terms of my natural hair. I also like how it just feels so secure right now on my head. I feel like this unit will literally not budge, which I really appreciate, especially with half wigs. There's just a little bit more fear of it sliding off, but with the combs and the adjustable strap back there that they give you, it definitely helps the unit feel a lot more secure. I really like this one. I think this one right now is my top favorite so far. So let's go ahead and jump into the next look. Okay, so I filmed this collective haul yesterday where I purchased some items from Walmart, TJ Maxx, and beauty supply stores. So I got this new bandana here. It's a headband bandana. Got it from Walmart and it was $1.97. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get this unit to wear as a headband wig as well. Alright y'all, so here is the hair with this bandana headband. Okay, so is it first favorite or second favorite now? I think this might be first fave. I love this with a headband. Oh my gosh. Not to mention the security that I feel with this unit, okay? I mean, I keep saying that because this unit just really feels very snug and tight, and that is a great feeling with half wigs. It literally, I can switch up any headband with this unit, and on top of that, it's affordable, y'all. It's going to be an affordable unit that you can switch out with any headband that you want. I'm just loving this look. I'm loving this big hair look so much. You guys let me know what you think of it. Here's a close-up. Okay, let's go ahead and move into style 4. Y'all, so here is the last look. I've made it into a ponytail. I was really excited to try this one. This was just the style that they have on the stock card, and I think this is number 1. So number 1 of my favorites is going to be definitely this ponytail. Second is going to be the side part, and then the third is the headband, and then the fourth is the middle part. This was literally like save the best for last. This is the most cutest look. I'm always here for a high ponytail, especially one that is big like this. And then I really like that they gave the idea of putting like the 2 pieces in the front, because I probably would have never thought about that, but that adds like the perfect little extra detail that you need in this look. So I think this look will look really cute on anyone. So y'all should definitely try it out if you get this unit. So how would I rate this unit? I would give this unit a 9 out of 10. I actually really like it. I do love the security that you get when you wear this unit. I'm also a huge fan of all the different styles that we're able to achieve with this. Honestly, I don't have any cons about this unit. Like, I didn't run into anything that made me feel like, no, I'm not feeling this. Like, they really achieved what they said with this unit. It's really comfortable with any placement that you give it. If you want to have any style, they've made it where it actually feels very comfortable and very secure while wearing it. So A+ to you, Outre. Your girl is feeling this unit all the way. I also really like with this unit that the way they've made the cap, the way they constructed it, you really don't have to have a lot of leave out when wearing this unit, which I know most of us who probably wear these type of units, we want to protect our natural hair as much as possible. So them giving us that possibility of leaving out less hair is definitely great. I'm not really sure how much these units range for, but I'll put it right here on the screen so you'll know, and then I'll also have some links in my description box below that will direct you to a link where you can purchase this one. But Curly KO is definitely one of my new favorite half wig units. I'm a fan, and they have so many styles. They came out with a lot of styles with this unit actually. What I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see me try to invent some more styles with this unit, let me know, because I can make a separate video on that. If you guys have any questions, leave them in my comment section below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to OUTRE for sending this unit over, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.